going on, everyone? So today is an exciting day because I'm actually doing some twisties here in Florida, and I have the privilege of riding with SaltxThexWound. So guys, today I'm on my CBR1000RR, the Fire Blade, and it's a nice, beautiful, finally cool day here in Florida. I mean, it was like 72 degrees at 10:30 in the morning. Pretty amazing stuff considering it was 94, 96 yesterday in Tampa. We're a little up north, past, I believe, Lando Lakes area, somewhere up here. A place I've actually never ventured to before, because usually, you know, I don't like riding an hour away by myself. So it's awesome to finally do a meetup and group ride, especially with another fellow motovlogger. It's great to finally link up with someone here in Florida. And it's like the perfect day, like I said, to do this. So ironically, this is probably the first time that I've done decent, I guess decent is quotation marks, twisties on the CBR. You know, I'm getting used to it because in Hawaii it was just long, straight, slow roads with traffic. There was like one mountain road. You may have seen that video in the past. You know, and I realized, you know, I need to work on my twisties. I mean, those were some severe twisties though, and downhill. But yeah, that was quite a thing. So didn't get to practice that much because that was about an hour away from my house in Hawaii due to the traffic, and it was kind of downtown Waikiki area, a little north of it actually, by the University of Hawaii. All right, so look at all the rides out here. That was a nice S1000RR, guys. Here's some other guys riding today. Pretty nice. What's up, guys? Look at that S1000, nice. And a random token Harley. It's always good to see that considering I'm a former Harley owner. So there's 6 of us today, and we've already gone through some twisties. Like I said earlier, I'm having to like retrain myself from the old days and when I used to ride dirt bikes and you got the kind of twisties on the dirt, but that's completely different. And I've got back into motorcycle riding about, you know, 4 years ago when I first got to Hawaii again. Decided to get back on 2 wheels, get some street bikes, and now finally I'm out of the city of Tampa and St. Pete, getting to hit some backcountry roads here with some turns, and it's actually quite exciting and quite fun. You just got to be careful about it, especially since I haven't done this in a really long time, and getting used to the bike characteristics. And part of the reason I chose my CBR today over my beautiful Panigale 1299S is because I am more comfortable with this bike when it comes to handling, comfort, etc. Plus the ride is pretty long. Like I said, it took an hour just to link up with these guys from where I live. Nice turn, looking through it, slow look turn, right? That's how you ride them, at least what I learned. Come off the turn, accelerate. Nice, haven't done that in a while, guys. Got some twisties up here. And like I said, you can make fun of me all you want. I gotta take this a little slow because I'm not used to this stuff, guys. All right, through the turn, looking through the corner, got that lean. This is a nice turn, guys. Looking through, accelerate, out the hairpin. There goes Salt right there, letting these guys get ahead of me. They ride these roads a lot more than me. They're used to it. They were in front of me at first, and then Salt wanted to get some video of us going by, which is pretty cool. I give them the old aloha shaka. And yeah, these guys, since they're more experienced, I'm just gonna let them get ahead of me the rest of the time. But getting back to the Ducati, I didn't ride it because, you know, I'm not used to it as much. I just bought that bike this summer, back in, what was it, May, June time frame. And I've had this CBR for a while. It's my baby, I'm comfortable with it. But that Ducati will come out one day on these twisties, hopefully in the next couple weeks, and it's getting cooler, so I do plan on riding a lot more. And it's especially cooler up here than it is down in Tampa area where I live now. All right, nice little turns right here. And those are the kind of turns you gotta watch out for because of the different, you got the sun and the shadows, you could have oncoming traffic, all that good stuff. So everyone, here's Salt's bike up close and personal. You've seen it finally on the Fireblade Pilot YouTube channel. And make sure you check out Salt. He has an awesome channel. Him and his girlfriend do a lot of riding around here, and he also teaches you how to wheelie, so make sure you check out his videos, which I probably need to do one day, right? Some wheelie action here. Salt's getting that angle, I'm getting the rear. Nice. So today on our ride we got, I believe, an R1 and an R6, matching couple up front, the yellow and white one, 60th anniversary is very nice. Of course, Salt and his girl have the Gixxer 750s, which are awesome bikes also, and they're so clean. I don't know how he keeps it so clean. There's a, I believe, a 2017 CBR Fireblade in front of me, the 1000RR. And behind me is a MT-09 or RT-09, I forgot, the naked bike Yamaha version. It's kind of like the naked bike of the R1 and 6 up there. Same color, same yellow and white with the black and white checker pattern. They look awesome. Needless to say, there's a bunch of yellow in our ride today, counting my Fireblade, which is awesome. And you know, the blues are very similar between my bike and Salt's bike, which is pretty cool too. He's got that high-vis yellow, mine's like the regular old sunny yellow, as we call it. Mine's a candy blue. He's got the Suzuki blue. The other thing that's funny is I have no clue where we're going. We are out in the middle of nowhere, in my opinion. I never knew Florida had so much farmland. I knew it did, but it's different when you see it. You know, when you drive down middle Florida on the interstate, that's one thing. Look at taking this turn nice and slow, guys. Not used to these roads, like I said. You can make fun of me if you want, but I'll get better with time. Let's see how much I progress in the future, guys. That'll be interesting to see, huh? Come out the turn. Look at, I even took that a little wide. But anyway, I'll get used to them. First time on the roads, first time on real twisties in years. But we'll get better over time. I have a feeling. Look at this turn, guys. Like a 90-degree hairpin. Got the minivan in front of us dictating our speed right now. Goodness gracious. I know this is killing us. Look at these. These guys want to eat these twisties alive. And we're stuck behind a minivan. Take them right here. All right. This is what it's all about, guys. Look at these wispy willow trees riding through here. Nice temperatures. This is what I'm talking about. This is what riding's all about, guys. Finally getting out. Beautiful Sunday in Florida with the wispy willows. And we got some turns and some twisties. You got Salt up there filming as he's doing a twisty. That's awesome. So guys, one thing I try to tell myself and remember basically is when you go out and ride, you know, sometimes just, you know, down the street, not that far from the house, a little enjoyable. But on rides like these, make the most out of it. This is training. And I'm not trying to preach to the choir, but training is what saves your life, guys. You got Salt up there doing a wheelie. Look at that, guys. Woo! Let's see how long he can keep it up. There we go. He's in the other lane, so he needed to get back over. But every time you go out, and if you're doing twisties, take advantage of it. Learn. Today, you know, I did a lot of filming besides this motovlog. Learn my lean angle, learn the, you know, where I rolled off the throttle or didn't hold it long enough and came off the throttle, should I say. Lean into the turn, the counter steering, all that good stuff, guys. So take advantage of your training because, you know, it could save your life one day. If there's an oncoming car that crosses the double yellow line on a right-hand turn, you know, you don't want to be too wide and they might take you out. And that actually happened to Salt when he went up to the tail of the Dragon. I'll leave a link below, and here's a snapshot of his thumbnail from that ride. And I learned from that. You know, I watch other motovloggers, learn from their techniques and, you know, their scenarios and what may have happened to them. So guys, just like I said, keep training. I'll get better at these turns. That's what I'm learning from today, is I need to just get back in a rhythm. I actually haven't ridden in like 2 weeks. So to come out here and hit these twisties, you know, it's pretty exciting. But also at the same time, it's kind of humbling to show how much I need to work on this stuff. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this motovlog. We're going to do this the rest of the day. I'm going to knock out some more training. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out SaltxThexWound and his channel. He's awesome. Thank you, Salt, for letting me ride with you guys today. I look forward to more future rides, and it's going to be a blast. And guys, if you happen to like this video, if you don't mind, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Here we go. One more wheelie to end this ride, guys. Yeah, boy. We got Salt up there, too. So, guys, y'all take care until next time. I'll catch you later.